All right, we are here with our friends at Haloblk. We are checking out their booth. They have a fairly large booth over here, and we're going to be checking some stuff out over here. They got their Model 3 here, and yeah, we're going to be hanging out. They got some new products, so we're going to go check those out as well. All right, so we are checking out Haloblk's Halodisc. And so what this is, there's multi-purpose, multi-design, like multiple reasons why you want to get this. So basically what it is these are customizable covers for your wheels to protect your wheels, to also you could custom design these as well, and for also added aerodynamics. I didn't think about that. And these, I was talking with someone, you can actually send them a design and they could print it out for you. Now, here are some other designs here. These center caps are actually lockable, so they can't be stolen. And here is a demonstration. Maybe we can get a demonstration on how it's installed into this tire. We have Lori here to demonstrate how we're going to install these Halodiscs.
Yeah, it's pretty easy actually. So it's already very tight here. It's our toe here. Yay, it's pretty easy, right?
Now these are lockable,
Yeah.
and they come with keys, so you just can't pull them out.
It's pretty easy. Even a girl can do it by themselves.
Yes. So there's a system for the center lock. You just buy one set, and you can just buy different designs, and you don't need to buy the locks because they all work. So I was talking with Caesar, and Caesar's like, you could even have like seasonal wheel covers. So Christmas is coming up, and you can get it designed, or you could upload some images and they will print it out for you. One thing new that I am seeing here at the SEMA booth that I didn't see in Santa Ana is on this Model 3 Highland, they have the front lip, side skirt, and rear diffuser. They have a kit for Model 3 Highland. Now, talking with Caesar, he says that these are not available yet, but they will be soon. This is just a sample that they are showing off in SEMA, and I think it looks really clean. Check that out. See this side right here? It kind of flows with the side skirt. Check that out. Check that out. Whew. That looks pretty clean to me. And that front lip design, very nice. So keep an eye out on that, and let me know if you are interested in checking that out, so I can get some more information for you guys, for those who have Model 3 Highland. Okay, so I'm here with Shah with Haloblk, and we're checking out their new brakes and calipers system. Check this out. It's a 380 millimeter disc, 6-piston caliper, and they're slotted. And so these are marketed to be pro street versions, but yep. You said that you could take them to track also?
Sure. Yes.
They currently can fit Model 3 Legacy and Model 3 Highland, as well as all Model Y versions, as long as you have 19-inch wheels.
Yes.
That's to clear the size of the caliper.
Yes.
So it comes in silver, red, and yellow. Any plans for any other color options?
Yeah, we gonna make it to different colors.
Different
right
colors.
now, we got all these 3 colors product right now. Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you, Sean.
You're welcome.
Now we are also looking at their carbon fiber spoiler. These are real carbon fiber from Toray in Japan. Check out this design. This is compatible with Model 3 Highland?
Yes, this one is for Model 3 Highland, and this one is for Model Y.
The one above it is for Model Y?
Got this one for Model 3.
And that one is for the old Model 3. It's weird to say old Model 3. They also have covers for the side mirror, also with Toray carbon fiber. And this is also for Model Y and Model 3.
And also
Both
Highland,
both
yes.
Model 3s?
Yes.
And Model Y as well. All right, so check this out. This is for the Model 3 Highland. This is their new floor mats. And what's cool with this is the carpeted portion is removable, so you can clean it up. There's like little notches and locks and stuff. And you can remove it and have the all-weather stuff on there, or you can put back the carpet part and you can remove it and clean it. So I like this design. This is for Model 3 Highland only, and hopefully Model Y and...
We got this one for Model Y.
Oh, you do have Model Y.
Yes,
Oh, but not on
there.
display.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So check them out on their website. They have it for Model Y. Also for the Model 3 also, regular Model 3. Nice, nice, nice. Or older 3. It's so confusing. Highland and regular Model 3. So check out their website, haloblk.com, and you will find that they have a Black Friday sale going on up until November 30th. You can also check out their other accessories for Model 3, Model Y, and Model X and Model S. They also have a Halo station that I have done a video on, so check that out if you haven't already. Check out the video description below to see all the Haloblk videos I have done in the past. They also have an Instagram account, and make sure you follow them at haloblk_US.